Sydney, can you go finish your dinner, please? Okay. Can you go finish your dinner? Sydney.
Which one is the fountain? Okay, everyone see. Ready, everyone?
Yeah.
This is my right finger.
Yeah.
This is my right finger. Oh! My arch. This is my arch. You don't remember this.
Sydney, what do you have all over your clothes? It's called what? Can you not sit on the rug or else all of it's going to stick on the rug? Can you stand up, please?
No.
Yes. Stand up. Oh, what's in your hair?
I got it all.
Can you go throw it away, please?
No.
Sydney.
Over there.
No, you are going to get it all over the rug. Up. Get up. Okay. What's all this on all over your clothes? Can you tell me?
Paprika.
What?
Paprika.
What is it?
Paprika.
What?
Paprika.
Papiga?
Yeah,
Oh,
paprika.
interesting.